Good morning, and we can start with today's session. Is it audible, right? My screen is visible.
Hmm.
Okay, let me go for the next top of problem. So we did yesterday for the last class with how to find out that the triangle type of problem by using determinants. So there is a one question common in the question paper for the 5 marks. That is easy, you can do it, and we have to check that given problem is collinear, the determinant value should be 0. The next type of question is the Cramer rules. So we have a 5 plus 5, 10 marks, maybe you will get the question. Or you have to apply a Cramer rules for the solving the system of linear equation. The linear equation it is nothing but we have unknown values are there in that equation. The unknown value can be 1, 2, 3. So we have to find out the unknown value for x, y, z. See, this is called as when they have different methods are applying. For any linear equation can be solved by different method. So we are the determinants, we are solving the unknown value. We call that the method is a Cramer rule. But the same type of linear equations available in the matrix also. In the matrix also you will get a one more questions to solve the linear equation by using the matrix method. So when I go for the matrix, then I will tell you how to solve the linear equation. So now we have to apply for this. We have a linear equation, any number of equation for that one. So we have to for each equation we have unknown values. For that unknown values that are represented as like this. So we have three linear equations. We have ax1 b1 plus c1 is equal to z d1. Now a1 b1 c1 d1 are the constant term. So whatever the value will be given, the cofactor of that one, and x y z is called as unknown values. Our intention is to find out the solution for what is x, what is y, what is z. If you apply for x by z, then it is equal to d1. The question paper or any problem, the d value should be given. The d value for d1, d2, d3 is not equal to 0, then that type of equation is called not a homogeneous system. See, if we want to find the solution of this, a solution of this system is a set of values x, y, z, which make each three equations are true. That means each value of is substituted, then we will get a three equations. That is, we have to find out the solution for those equations. When I'm finding the solution, see, we can have a two types. In the example, you have to check the given equation is consistent or inconsistent. See, what is consistent, what is inconsistent? We have to know the difference of that one. A system of equation that has one or more solutions is called consistent. So one or more solution means that it will get x can be two value and y can have a two value, z can have two value. So if you substitute x value, that it is equal to the d1. The system has one or more solution, then it is called consistence. The system equation have no solution. The sometime I am not able to get the solution of that equation after find outing for all the values, then it is called inconsistence. So while doing the problem, then you have to know the definition of what is consistent and what is inconsistent. You should be know. So the linear equations have unknown value. We have to find out the unknown value for the solution. The solution can be consistent or inconsistent. Then I have to show one more. If the whatever that right hand side RHS, the RHS case called D1, D2, D3. If in case we have a two equation or if you have three equation, the all the three equation right hand side should be 0. Then that system is called homogeneous system of equation. So we call homogeneous. If in case this D1, D2, D3 is non-zero, then at least one of the D1, D2 is a non-zero, the system is said to be non-homogeneous system of equation. So all the D3 is 0, it is called a homogeneous system. If it is not equal to 0, it is called non-homogeneous system. While finding out the solution of x, y, z, you should be first observe the problem. That problem is come under homogeneous system or non-homogeneous system. Okay, the clear? So what is linear equation? When I should be apply the Cramer rules, in that what is homogeneous system and what is non-homogeneous system, and the third point is what is consistent and what is inconsistent. Let's move on to, if your the equation is like this, I have to find out what is x, what is y, what is z. Then how to represent? The first more thing is we have equation. The equation should be represented as determinant form. So how to represent the determinant form? So the determinant have delta is equal to. So what are the constant? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Say I am representing this. I should be converted this into in this form. So this format I should be converted like this. So that we have to multiply that x into delta using the scalar property. We studied last class. Using the scalar property, we can observe that so x into delta is nothing but the multiply x into that a factor. A1x, A2x, B2x. Then you should be apply the column rule. I am already adding a y C2z plus C2z for the C1 and I putting into that C1. Then we can get it A1x, B1y, C1z, A2x, B2y, C2z, A3x, B3y, C3z. That means just I am applying that column elimination method for the first column. I am getting this one. Can you tell me A1x, B1y, C1z can be equal to D1? Observe the equation. See whatever you have A1x, B1y plus C1z can be equal to D1?
Yes.
Yeah. See now A1x, B1y, C1z be equal to D1. What about second line? A2x, B2y plus D1 will be equal to what? D2. A3x, B3y, C3z is equal to what? D3. See now, see this x delta can be represented as what? Delta x. See now, wherever I want to find out the delta x, what is the meaning of internally? Delta x can be written as the D1, D2, D3. The D1, D2, D3 is what? Right hand side. Whenever I want to find out the delta x, you should be replace the RHS in which column? You should be remember. Whenever I am to find out delta x, RHS of D1, D2, D3 should be always represented in the first column. The first column contains D1, D2, D3. The remaining column as it is B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. The same way. See, whenever our intention is what is x, this equation I have to find out what is x. So to find out the x, we should be find out what is delta and we should be find out what is delta x. What is delta? Delta is only the cofactor A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Delta is this one. What is delta x? What is delta x? Delta x is the first column has to be replaced by what? D1, D2, D3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2. See what is x? See when the delta is not, the determinant value is not equal to 0. First you have to check it. While finding out the determinant value is not equal to 0, then I can find out what is x. The formula you should be remember. If you know the formula, you can easily solve the problem. What is an x? X is equal to delta x by d. Delta. See what is the purpose of find out in delta x? Delta x is there should be find out the RHS value. Then similarly, when I ask to go for delta is not equal to 0, what is y? The y can be represented as delta y by delta. How to represent delta y? See, delta y is the second column. A1, A2, A3 is same. Only replace the second column with D1, D2, D3 and C1, C2, C3 as it is. So now y is equal to delta y by delta. Again the delta is not equal to 0. What is that? Delta z, the last column I had to replace it. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, D1, D2, D3. See, this is the solving method by using what? This method for the solving the linear equation is called Cramer's Rule. There is one common question in your question paper. To solve the linear equation by using Cramer rules. Clear?
Yes.
See, you should be know about what is the delta value. If delta value is equal to 0, if in case when I find out what is delta, what is delta? A1, B1, A3, B1, B2, B3. If it is delta is equal to 0, according to the delta, if it is delta value equal to 0, then can you able to divide by x? Anything can be divided by x with 0? Not possible, right? 2 by 0. You have infinite number of solutions, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So according to that, if it is delta is equal to 0, then system has infinite number of solutions. The system has infinite number of solution, then it can called as if delta is equal to 0, but delta x, delta y, delta z is non-zero, then that system has what? No solution. Then it is called what?
Inconsistent.
Inconsistency. Clear? When it is inconsistency, when delta is equal to 0, then I can't able to divide 0 by that numerator, then the system has no solution. If it is no solution, it is called inconsistent. Shall we go for the problem?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you copy it on the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve the following system of linear equation using Cramer rules. X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6. X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6. 2x plus 4y plus z is equal to 7. 3x plus 2y plus 9z is equal to 14. What is the first step? First step is step number 1 is equal to delta. You read the delta. What is delta now?
X
Delta
plus,
is equal to, write on the first column.
yeah,
1, 2, 3. Clear?
yes,
1, 2, 3. Second column.
2,
2,
2, 4,
4, 2.
1,
Third column. 3,
3, 2,
1,
9,
9.
1,
What is D? You can write D is equal to 6,
6,
7, 14.
7, 7.
6, 7, 14.
Wherever you want to write D, it will be write like this. D is equal to D1, D2, D3. Clear,
Yes,
right? Okay.
yes,
Can you find out what is the delta now? Delta is equal to, I need an answer for the delta. You calculate it and can tell me the delta value. I
yes,
think no doubt to calculate the delta, right?
yes, ma'am.
Cross multiply. One into cross multiply with 4 into 9. 9 fours are 36 minus 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into 9 twos are 18 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 3 into
Minus, ma'am, minus 20 delta, I think.
minus 20. You got 20 minus 20?
Yes, ma'am, minus 20.
Yeah, very good. So now we got delta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see, this is the representation of the delta. After representation of delta, you can apply row elimination method or directly you can find out the value of delta. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Delta is 0 or non-zero?
It is a
Delta is
non-zero.
non-zero. Then can able to find out x and y z, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First we have to find out x. What is the formula for the x? X is equal to delta x by x. Delta x by delta. X is equal to delta x by delta. Now I know only delta. Did we find out delta x? No. Here still we not know the value of delta x.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the find out of delta x formula? Delta x is equal to,
R2.
right, the first, where I am replacing by d value? 6, 7, 14. Replacing 6, 7, 14 by first column or second column or third column?
First
First
column.
column.
Yeah, very good.
First.
Right, the first column. 6,
Yes,
7, 14 in the first column. These 1, 2, 3 will be replaced by what? 6,
7,
7, 14.
14.
What about the last two columns? Same as it is. Don't replace.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you find out the answer? What is delta x now?
Yes,
6,
ma'am.
7, 14. You apply this one. Can you find out the answer for that?
Minus 34.
How much value you get it?
34, sir. Ma'am.
Just check
Minus,
it. Something you make.
uh,
You want to get 20. 6, 7, 14, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 9.
3, 1, 9.
Just do some plus or minus. You mistake. You made a mistake.
Now we have to take 2, ma'am.
No, no. What I'm telling, this is this D1, D2, D3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 9 as it is. I have 2, 4, 2, 3, 1 and as it is we have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just 6 into 9 fours are 36 minus 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into 7 nines are 63 minus 14 ones are 14 plus 3 into 7 twos are 14 minus 14 fours are 96.
Okay.
Just check
Yes,
it out.
ma'am, it is.
All of you got minus 20?
Minus
Yes, ma'am, minus 20.
Clear? Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you go for how to find out now? X is equal to delta x by x. You got delta x, right? Minus 20. Delta is minus 20. What is x value?
One,
Plus 1 or minus 1?
1.
one
Plus
plus
1, plus 1 or minus 1?
plus one, ma'am.
Plus.
Because minus 20 divided by how much? 1. Yes. Let me go for the next step.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you go for y? See now the next unknown value is y. How to find out y? We should be find out what is delta y. What is delta y? We should be replaced. Delta y is equal to which column I want to replace?
Second
Second
column.
column.
Yeah, all of you write the first column same as it is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Second column
6, 7, 14.
7, 14. Yeah, don't forget it. 6, 7, 14.
14.
Third column 3, 1, 9. Okay. Any doubt in that? Delta y is equal to, you have to find out. What is delta y now? What value you are getting?
Minus 20. Ma'am, again.
Getting minus 20 or plus 20?
Minus 20.
Yes, you are getting minus 20.
Yes, ma'am.
See, if you want to make the number is big, right? While character 14 fours, 9 sevens. If you don't want all those things, only we're applying the row operation. If you feel that is only that easy method, you can do it. Or you can apply the row method and find out it. The intention is find out only the delta value. Don't confuse. Either you go for the row elimination method or you can find that method. He will not mention anything. It only we should be find out delta. Clear?
Yes,
Find
ma'am.
out the delta. I got minus 20. What is y now?
Minus 20.
Delta y by delta. Delta y by delta minus 20 by minus 20. The answer is 1. Shall we go for the delta z?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is delta z? 1, 2,
2,
3,
3, 2,
2,
4, 2,
4,
4,
4.
6, 7, 14.
Yes, right. And what is the answer?
We don't apply the row elementary operation or column
Yeah, not
element.
required, sir. If you are comfortable with the row elementary operator, you can apply it. If you are
We get
feel difficult to do it, you can do by normal method only. If you
we will
apply
get
row elimination, you can easily get the answer.
we will get the whole marks, no? We
Yeah,
don't apply that.
you will get delta value only. See, why applying this? These two terms are zero, right? When the number of terms are zero in the delta, and then you can easily find out the solutions. Because of that, he applying the row eliminatory operation. Otherwise, it should be multiply, right? 9 fours are 2 ones are minus. Here only the one term. What is delta Z?
Minus 20.
That is also get minus 20. Yes. See, now we should be apply Cramer rules, means that is what y x is equal to delta x by delta 1, y is equal to delta y by delta 1, z is equal to delta z by z. Clear? Your method is apply Cramer rules to find out unknown values x, y, z, x, y, z, and find out delta is equal to 0. Then is called as a Cramer rules. But to find out x, y, z. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is homogeneous system or not non-homogeneous system? This for problem. This is not
Homogeneous
homogeneous because in that equation 2x plus x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 6. It's not 0. 2x plus 4i plus z is equal to 7. This is not 0. 3x plus 2y plus 9z is 14. Means 6, 7, 14. In that place we have 0, 0, 0. Then it is called homogeneous system. But these three equation is not homogeneous system because there is no 0. See, that is a non-homogeneous equation. For non-homogeneous equation also I got a solution of 1 solution. So then it is what consistent. See, now it can cut consistent. Shall we go for other problem for homogeneous equation? See, now the equation is like this. A1x b1y plus c1. This is d1 is what? 0. A2x b2y c2z is equal to 0. A2x b2y plus c3z is equal to 0. See, this is if x, y, z is equal to 0. See, sometimes this solution, this is called trivial solution of a system of equation. This is called trivial solution. It is called trivial solution of a system of equation. Sometimes if in these cases the delta value is equal to 0, it have infinite number of solutions. It can have infinite number of solutions. Let me start the problem. So take that 2x minus y plus 3z. All of you observe the right hand side. Can you take the 2x minus y plus 3z, x plus 5y minus 7z, 6 minus 6y plus 10z equal to 0. See, now I can observe the right hand side of all the three equations. We have a 0. See, it is called homogeneous equation. In the question only it may get. Solve the system of linear homogeneous equation. What is the first step? Find outing for the delta. After that, you should be find out x, y, z. Find out a delta. How to find a delta? 2
2, 1,
minus 1,
minus
3,
1,
3. Very
5,
5.
minus 1.
Don't forget about the symbols, plus or minus.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minus 6, 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the answer of that? See, if you apply these row elimination, the terms are 0. R1 divided by R1 minus 2 R2. Then that R1 should be 0. R2 is equal to R2 minus 3 and then R2 is also 0. Whenever the 0 terms are get, easily find out the delta value.
16, ma'am.
Yeah.
16 plus 16.
What?
Plus 16 delta value.
You got plus 16. Just please check it out. You want to get minus 20. How much you are getting?
Minus 17.
See, 2 into 10 5s are 50 minus into minus plus 6 7s are 42.
42. Yes.
How much you got? Not getting?
Some, uh, now I got 0, ma'am.
You're getting 0 delta value.
Yes, ma'am. Delta value 0. I think.
Yes, ma'am. I too got 0, ma'am.
Where you made mistake. How you are representing? Can you tell me? First is 2, right?
2 into 50,
Then
50 42 minus
50 plus
50 minus 42.
50 minus 42. Minus into minus plus into minus minus. 50 minus
Again,
42. Okay, plus 1.
um, plus 1 into 10
Hmm.
plus 7.
10 plus 7.
Plus,
Okay, it minus 6 and
minus 6 into 7. Oh, okay. So, no, 10 ones are 10. Minus into minus plus 7. 10 plus 7. Again, plus 3 into minus 6 minus 5.
plus 3 into minus 6 plus.
Minus 6 minus 5.
This is 3 into minus 6 minus 5. Minus 5 is minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11.
7 3 is 33. 16 plus 17 minus 33 I got.
Plus
So it will
33
be
minus 33. You get 0.
60.
Why you are getting 20 here? Just 2 minus 1, 3, 1 plus 5 minus 7, 1 minus 6. If you are applying row method, R1 minus 2 R2 minus 2 R2 2. If put delta is equal to 0, then I can't able to find out the solution of this. Because we are getting delta is equal to 0, right? But he
Yes,
made,
ma'am.
see now you will get delta is equal to 0. Expanding of that answer, what happens? You are getting that 0. Delta is equal to 0 because R1, R2 is R proportional to 1 according to that. So therefore, see, everyone got 0, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, after that you check it, observe. See, when the value is 0 but it's in a homogeneous system, how to find out the x and value? See, now if it is not equal to x and value is equal to 0, then you have to stop it. But if it is all that homogeneous system equal to 0, then delta value is also equal to 0. So then we had to find out that value should be followed like this. The given system of homogeneous equation has infinite number of solution. At least we try to find out one solution. We have infinite number of solutions, right? Because delta should be equal to what? 0. Then you have to find out, for you have to take the equation 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 0, x plus 5y minus 7z is equal to 0. I am taking these two equations for find outing for that unknown values. We should be find out all the three unknown value in homogeneous equation. But now the second problem, delta value are getting 0. Clear? So how to find out? Then you should be take 2x minus 5. I will represent it in this format. 2x minus 5 is equal to minus 3z. See, I am because of this side is right hand side equal to 0, then plus 3z is equal to what? minus 3z. 2x minus y is equal to what? Minus 3z. X plus 5y is equal to what? 7z. Clear? 2x minus y is equal to minus 3z. X plus 5y is equal to 7z. So I am giving equation number 1 for that one. So now I should be find out in this equation there are two unknown values. What are two unknown values? X and y are the unknown values. Any doubt?
No.
Yeah. See, whenever we have a two unknown values, I am representing delta. See, you know how to write the three unknown values? D1, D2, D3, right? This you are observing only two unknown value. First, find out the delta. To avoid the confusion, I am taking delta dash. This is delta dash for what? Find outing the solution for these two equation. If two equation, what is the cofactor? 2. And what is the cofactor for x? It should be this is x plus y, right? By mistake it is 2 written, this is a 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is minus 1. This is 5. Delta is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 and 5. What is the answer?
11.
Yes. He written answer 11 correctly, but here typing mistake is what? 2.
2.
Yeah. Okay, now delta is equal to 0. Whatever the you will get 11, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Whenever I get 11, I will get a unique solution. Yes. Delta dash not equal to 0. The system of equation has a unique equation. That means I will get it. What is x? What is y? We have. See, we should be find out what is delta x. What is delta x? Replacing the first column by what? D1. What is D1?
7.
Minus 3z.
Minus z. You should be right completely. Don't leave z. D should be complete term of RHS. Minus 3z. What is D2?
D2
7z.
same.
Yes. This side? Minus 1, 5. 5. Can you find out it?
Yes, ma'am.
3 5s are
15.
50. Z.
Yeah.
Minus into minus plus 7z.
Yeah, ma'am.
15z plus 7z.
8.
Yes. We got what 8? Plus 8 or minus 8?
Minus 8, ma'am.
Now delta x is what? Minus 8z. See, I got delta x is minus 8. Can we find the same thing? See, your typing mistake. This is what? Next line is typing mistake. This is delta y.
Delta y.
Yes. Delta y is equal to 2 into minus 3z, 1 into 7z equals. See, what is 7 2s are? 14.
14.
Minus.
19.
Minus of 3z. Minus with the minus plus.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 17z we got it.
Yeah, ma'am.
See, now I got x, I got y, I got x and y in terms of z we got it. Don't worry about that one. Only we are finding what is delta x, what is delta y. See, what is the Cramer rule? Cramer rule is x is equal to delta x by delta dash according to these two equations. Correct, right?
Yes,
X
ma'am.
is equal to delta x by delta x. What is delta x? 8z.
Minus 8z, yeah.
Yes. What is delta dash? 11.
11.
We find out it. See, now minus 8 by 11z I got it. I can't able to simplify. This is only the final answer. Minus 8z by 11. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is y? What is y?
Delta y by delta
Delta
dash.
y by delta dash 17z by 11. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now I got what? X I got it. Y I got it. What is the x now? 8 by 11. What is y now? 17 by z. If we substitute z, because of that only we have infinite number of solution. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When I take z is equal to 0, what is the x value? 0. What is the z value? 0. When I take z is equal to 1, minus 8 by 11. What is z is equal to 1? 17 by 11 is the y value. Clear? When I take the value of z value, I can easily find out what is an x and y. Clear, right? We should be assume the z value. Z value can be anything. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Infinite number of z value if you substitute. Infinite number of x and value you are getting. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, let me check. See, we have the two equation I have taken. So let me take the third equations that you can substitute that. whatever the value you're getting correct or not, you should show that x minus 6y plus 10z. All of it write down. X minus 6y plus 10z is equal to 0. At least find out the one z value now. X is what? Substitute x value. What is an x is now? Substitute that x value. X is now minus 8z by 11. In the place of x, you'll be replacing by what? Minus 8 by 11z. It is typing mistake. It is not equal. It is minus 6. Minus 6. What is y? 17 by 11z plus 10z. Substitute the value to that equation.
Can you explain in board, sir, ma'am?
Can you able to write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Just we are doing to find out what is x, what is y, what is z. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now to find out that this is homogeneous equation. When it is homogeneous equation, delta is equal to 0, then I can't able to get the one solution. When the delta is equal to 0, so we have infinite number of solution. Clear, right? Because of that, I'm find outing. Just I'm taking two equation. From the two equation, I'm find outing what is x and what is y. Okay. Till now, there is no doubt. Any doubt? So let me give. Now I got x is equal to minus 8z divided by 11. I got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right. Any doubt in this step? No.
No.
What about y? We got it. Y is equal to 11z divided by not 11.
17.
17z.
17 by
17z.
11. 17z divided by 11. Clear, right?
Yes,
See
ma'am.
now, what is z? See, z can be 0, z can be 1, z can be 2, like that. Clear, right? So, infinite number of substituted, you will get x and y. Clear, right? Now, whatever I am pointing x and y, z, is it correct or not? I am going to get the cross verify that equation. You should be check it. What is the third equation? X minus 6y plus. This is third equation. X minus
6y plus z.
6y
10z
plus
is equal
10z.
to.
Yes, very good. 10z. See, I have to show like this. If you substitute x value with this value,
Okay.
y value with this value, and definitely my answer should be equal to 0. Then only you can say you are find outing x and y are correct. Okay. The next task is I have to substitute x and y. I should be show what is the value of that equal to z. What is x now? Minus 8z divided by 11
8z by 11
plus. Yes or minus?
minus
Minus.
minus 6 into
What is y?
17z by 11.
Z divided by 11
17z by 11 plus
plus
10z is equal to 0.
10z is equal to 0. You keep as it is. Okay. Now you take the common factor. What is 8 minus 8 by 11 and minus 6, 17 by
1 by
11?
11. 1 by
You have
11.
to take the 11 as the common factor for that one. See that when you have to take in for that equation.
1 by 11.
Okay. To find out the 11 as the common factor, whenever you take the common factor for the 11, what is the answer? You should be tell me. So when I take the 11 should be down, assume. Minus 8z, is it minus 8z only, right? From the 11 is the common factor of LCM. From 11 on the 11, 11, 11 into minus 8z, 11 minus 8z only. Minus. Again from the 11, then you will get it this. 16, 17 into 6, how much?
102.
102 ma'am. 102.
102. Z is there, right?
Yes ma'am.
The below factor 1, 1 into 11, 11, 11 into 10, how much?
110.
In the below, denominator is 11, numerator is 10. From that 1 into 11, 11, 11 into 10, 100. Any doubt in these steps? This is your numerator. What is your denominator?
11.
7, ma'am.
That is equal to 0. So now you do it. 110 minus 110, this much. 8z minus 102. This is 110, right?
Yes, 110 plus
Minus 110z plus 110z.
0 by 11.
Correct, right?
0, ma'am.
Whatever I am finding out in x and y is equal to 0. What you come to conclude that x and y, whatever I find out is correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Yes, means if you substitute any value of z, we'll get many number of solutions. Only we are saying here. Therefore, infinite number of given system of equations given by, if you substitute x is equal to any random k, just I am taking k. K can be what? Any real number. Minus 8 by 11. So you get minus 8 by 11. Y is equal to what? 17 by 11. What is z? Z can be k. Either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything if you get it, you will get it at one solution. Any doubt? Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is, we did two problem, one on homogeneous system, another on non-homogeneous system. Okay. So
Yes.
we can I do this one and I will end with that linear system of equations. Can you take this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, B also, ma'am. Ma'am, B
What?
also.
What?
B. Like fourth one, B, ma'am.
Okay. Can you do it? No issues. So because this is one common question, you can check it on question paper. I will show you question paper also.
Yes, ma'am.
You can copy it on 2x plus 2y, x plus
Plus
2y minus z is equal to minus 1. When you try only, you will get it in your mind.
4 A's, ma'am.
4 is. First you take the first one. X plus 2y minus z is equal to minus 1.
Ma'am.
X plus 2y minus z is equal to minus 1. Second one. 3x plus 8y plus 2z is equal to 28. 4x plus 9y plus z is equal to 14. You had to tell me the steps. Meanwhile, we have to start doing. We don't want to do by.
First, we have to find the value of delta.
Yeah, not value of z. What is delta? What is the value of delta? First, represent the delta.
Yes.
How to represent the delta? Can you take that board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
1,
Let me go for the board. What is delta? Delta is equal to, we should be represent 1. Next.
minus
You have to tell me the answer. I will write it. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we write the question?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
X plus 2y minus
Z
z is equal to minus 1.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
next. 3x plus 8y
8y
plus
plus
2z
2z equal to 28.
x plus 9y plus z.
equals 28.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't write the equal part. Equal to
Plus
28.
that is equals to 14.
Yeah, yes, very good. First step is what? We have to find out delta.
14.
What is delta? Delta is this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 minus 1. What about next line? 3.
3, 8, 2.
Yes, very good. Next line.
4, 9, 1.
minus
4,
2.
9, 1.
Minus 4, why sir? It is 4 only, right?
9, 1.
Yeah. Can you find what is delta? I will written only the answer. What is delta? 1
Yes,
into
ma'am. Delta is equals to 5, ma'am.
8 plus 9 to
18.
8. 8
minus 2. 2 into what?
minus
4 to the
Minus
8.
2.
Minus. Sorry, 4 to the 8
3
or 3?
minus, ma'am, 3 minus 8. Ma'am.
Minus a minus 8. Plus,
Minus
plus a minus a. Minus 1.
Plus
9
1.
3s are
27 minus 32.
That's
to the
got this. Yeah.
18 minus 8
Minus 10.
minus
Minus 10.
minus 5 minus into
Plus
minus
10.
plus
Plus 10. Plus 10.
10
Plus 5.
minus 32 plus 7 how much? 5 plus 5 yeah plus 5 minus 5
Plus 5, ma'am.
minus 5 right minus 5 into minus plus any doubt? Finance or delta plus 5 or minus 5?
Plus 5, ma'am.
Everyone got this one? Any doubt in these steps? 27 minus 32, then we'll get minus 5, minus into minus plus, plus into 5 ones are 5. Plus 10 minus I cancel together, we'll get only 5. We'll get 5. Shall we go for the next step? Shall we go to the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next step? What is delta x? How to write delta x?
Yeah. Minus 1 minus 28
Minus
14.
1, that is 2 minus 1. Next line.
Sorry, ma'am.
We should be replaced by d1, right? What is the d1, right?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
First
28. Yes.
column after replacing. The first column is minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
We should be copied as it is, this one.
Yes, ma'am. 28.
Replacing these places. First place is what? Minus 1. Second place is what? 28.
28.
Third place was 14. Okay, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is delta x next step. Minus 1 into 8 ones are 8 minus 80. Minus 2 into 21 8s are 21 minus 14 2s are
20, 48.
8 minus 1 into, see this is we are failing difficult. The next 28 8s are 28 9s are
29.
28 9s are 252, ma'am.
252. Clear? Anyone have the same number?
Yes, ma'am.
14 8s are
Wow, 14 8s are 112.
112.
112, ma'am.
Okay, now what is the answer?
Oh, minus 130.
How much you got it?
Minus 130.
Minus 1. 18 minus 10 is 10, right? Which 10? Minus 10, right?
Minus 10.
This is 0, right? Plus
Yes.
28 minus 28.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1 into, what is that? 252 minus 152.
112, ma'am. 252
140.
minus 112. Yeah, ma'am.
252 minus 112. Minus 12 or 140 na?
My 140, ma'am. Answer is
140, ma'am.
It's minus 140. Total answer?
minus
Minus
100.
26,
Minus
ma'am.
plus 10 minus 140.
140.
How much?
Minus 130 by 5, ma'am.
Minus
Minus
130,
130.
right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is delta x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Is
this is
equal to
delta
x
x.
by
Delta x is equal to minus 130. Okay, can you find out delta y? After that only find out all the x and y coordinate. Or if you want to find now only delta. What's the next x? Delta x divided by
delta.
delta. What is in delta x?
Minus 130.
5.
Minus 20.
How much?
Minus 25.
25, yeah? 26,
25. Oh, sorry. 20, 26,
correct,
ma'am.
na?
Sorry.
26 or
Yes,
25?
ma'am.
Minus
26, ma'am.
26, ma'am.
Very good. Let me go for delta y.
Yes, ma'am.
Delta y. How to write delta y? First you copy it on the same matrix.
Yes, ma'am. 1.
Now I want to replace. So which column I have to replace?
Second column, ma'am.
Yes, this column I have to replace. What is the value of this? 2?
Second column is minus 1, 28 and 14.
28?
14.
Yes. Okay. Can you do it? Delta y is equal to, tell me answer, 1 into 21 when the 21 minus 14 to the 28. Minus into minus plus 1. Can directly write plus 1? 3 ones are 3 minus 4 twos are 8. Minus 1. 14 threes are 28 fours are.
Answer is minus 65, ma'am.
How much? 0 minus 5. How much? 65 or minus 65?
Minus 65, ma'am.
65.
Correct? What I am writing is
Plus,
correct.
oh, yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is y now?
65.
Delta y divided by delta. What is delta y? 65
65.
divided by
5.
5. What is the answer?
15.
Hmm?
13.
13.
Clear.
13.
All of you get 13?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go for the next? What is remaining?
Delta Z.
Delta z. What is delta z? Can you talk copy on the same thing?
1.
Which column I want to replacing?
Third column. Z
Minus
column.
1, 28, 40. Okay, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Find out the answer. Delta z is equal to 1 into 14 eighths. 1 minus 28 nines are 252 minus
43.
253 to 252. Correct, right?
Correct, ma'am.
14 threes are 42
Minus
minus 28 fours are
112.
102 minus 1 into 9 threes are 27 minus 8 fours are 32.
Answer is plus 5, ma'am.
Your friend also get the same answer. Just anyone tell me what she is telling is correct. Minus 140.
Plus 140. 72 is 140. Plus
Plus
140.
140, right? This is
Plus 140. Third one is minus 1 into minus 5 or plus 5.
plus 8. Sorry.
5, ma'am.
Minus
No.
plus 5.
Plus 5. What is the answer?
Plus 5.
Yes. Now, what is that Z?
That is 5 by 5.
Delta Z divided by Z. Sorry, not divided by delta. Delta Z is
Ma'am,
5.
answer
Delta is also 5. That answer is
1.
0, 1.
1. See what I want? Therefore, the x value is equal to what? How much you get x value?
26.
26. X value is equal to minus 26. Y value is equal to 13. And Z value is equal to 1. Don't forget to write this line.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Got to know how to apply the system of rules for this? Let me go for the second one.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is system of linear equation or not homogeneous? Because not homogeneous.
Yes, ma'am.
X plus y is equal to 0, y plus z is equal to 1, z plus x is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
X
you can take fifth one also. Fifth one is what? Homogeneous equation. The right hand side is all the values 0.
0, yeah.
Hmm. X plus
X minus
x plus y is equal to 0. Y plus z is equal to 1. Z plus x is equal to 3.
Ma'am, we can see the board.
Yeah, 1 minute. See, I will show how to write it. See, then we should be get the problem is like that, right? Let me start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the question? X plus y is equal to 0. Y plus z is equal to 1. Z plus x is equal to 3. Okay. I should be write the delta. See, this is equation of two unknown values or three unknown values are there.
3, ma'am, actually.
3
Yeah.
unknown.
We know, don't say whenever the equation is expressed by only two equation, y plus z, because all the three equation we have a three unknown values, x, y, z. If it is a three equation with three unknown value, you should be write 3 cross 3 determinant value only. So how to write? We have x component. What is the cofactor of
Yes,
x? 1, right?
Yes,
1.
ma'am.
What about y? Sorry.
y
1.
is
Wait, wait,
1.
wait. Let me say 1. Next, do you have y component?
Same 1.
1.
Yes, 1. Sorry. Is it there have a z component?
0.
0 there, but
First line, there is no z. You should be right in that place 0. That you have to remember. Why I am taking this problem is, so when the component is not there, the cofactor, you should be assigned that value should be 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What about next line?
X
What is the x component now?
0.
Okay. What about this y component?
That also 1.
Component? What about this?
X1.
Third one. 1 na 0? 1. Yes. Next. Y?
1.
1 na 0 na? Y? Z plus x.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. 0, 0. Sorry.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Shall we continue? Next one. What is delta value?
2.
If you get 2,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt in that? Find out in that one. Is it required step? 1 into 1, 1, 1 minus 0, you get 1. Is it required? Anyone follows? 1, 1 minus 0, minus 1. This 1 into 0, 0, minus 1. This is component is 0 component. 1 minus plus 1. What is the value? 2. Clear? Shall we go for delta
Yes.
x?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Delta x. How to write the delta x? Copied on same thing. I want to replace it.
First one.
First column is what? 0.
0, 1,
Second column is what? 1.
1.
Third column is what? 3. Only this one I replacing. Okay. Then find out the delta x.
It is 0.
Anytime is 0, right? Don't need to write anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1. 1 into 1 minus 3 ones are 3. Clear? Plus 0. Don't, whenever that any multiplicator will get 0, you just the answer now.
2, ma'am. Answer. 2, ma'am. Answer. Plus 2.
You'll get minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus plus 1. You'll get 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we go for delta y?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't hesitate when that equations are two unknown values. If two unknown value, you should be do like this. Can I copy this delta value now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me where I want to replacing?
Second column, ma'am.
Second column.
Second column, first one we replacing by what? Minus 1. This one we replacing by what? 8. Sorry, 28. Sorry, first one is what? 0, right?
0, ma'am.
Second one is 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one is
One is 3.
Tell me answer. Delta y. Y is equal to 1 into 1, 1 minus
1
3,
minus
3. Then all
Plus
terms
0.
0. Don't worry about that.
minus 2, ma'am. Answer.
Minus 2.
What the answer? You'll get it. Minus 2. Minus 2, right?
2.
Okay. Next, delta y. So the delta z. What is delta z? You take these 3. Right. Replacing by what?
Third
First
column,
column.
ma'am.
The third column is 0, 0, 1. The last one is what? 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Next answer. Delta z is equal to 1 into 3 ones are 3
3
minus 0.
minus 0
Okay.
minus 1
Minus
into
1 into
Minus
0,
1.
0 minus
1.
minus 1.
Yeah.
The
0.
0 component is left out. Sorry
4.
about that one. First
Both
one
side
is
is
3.
4.
Minus into minus plus 1. 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now all got delta y, delta z, delta x. What is the next step? We not find out till x. What is x?
X equal to delta
X
by z.
divided by
X by delta.
delta. What is delta x? 2. 2 divided by what is delta? 2.
2.
2 divided by 2.
1.
2 divided by
1, ma'am. 1,
1
ma'am.
is
Y
equal
is
to
equals to delta y by delta.
y divided by delta.
Then
Minus 2 by 2, ma'am.
Minus 2 by
Minus
2
2.
by
Then
2.
answer is
Minus
minus
1,
1,
ma'am.
right?
Minus 1.
Okay. Z is equal to
Delta z by delta.
y.
Delta.
answer is 2.
4
4
by 2,
divided
ma'am.
by 2. Answer is 2.
2.
Therefore, the final solution are x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1, z is equal to 2. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear? So I did both 3 unknown values and 2 unknown values in the given equations.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take the third one? Is it required third one? Homogeneous. If it is right, homogeneous, you try one problem. This one. 2x 2x minus y plus z is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. X plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 0. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
You find out the delta, tell me the answer. Two x minus y plus z is equal to 0. How to say it's a given equation homogeneous? That the right hand side of all the equations are what? 0.
0.
3z is equal to 0. So now first step is what? Everyone should be known. Delta is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. 3, 2 minus 1,
Minus 1,
1,
4, 3.
3. Okay. Is equal to, find out. 2 into 3 2s are 6 plus 4
Plus 4
minus into minus 1 plus
plus 1.
3 3s
9.
are 9
It's
minus into
9
minus
9 plus 1.
plus
Plus 1.
1
1.
minus 1 into 4 3s are 12
Minus 1, ma'am.
minus 2
No,
1.
plus 1, ma'am.
Plus 1, ma'am.
Plus 1 into
Sorry,
12
sorry,
minus
sorry, sorry, plus 1.
Yes, ma'am. Plus 1.
30. 30 or
Yeah.
12.
20, 6
40.
4s are 10, 10
22.
2s are 20,
40,
9
ma'am.
1s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10,
40, ma'am.
10,
Answer.
10. All of you get this. See, like this, you get a simple equation you're giving in the exam. Don't worry about that. Now, delta is what? 40.
8.
What is the next step?
Delta x.
Find the delta x.
Can we take down this? Okay. Now, the delta x you have to find out in with what? Homogeneous equations. Then easily. See, why we can't able to do it like this? Because every time if it is 0 with what? 0, 0. Delta x is 0. Then x is equal to the first term 0 with the first term plus 1. If you do like this, we can't able to find out, right? Let me think about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the next method? do like this, this are all delta x, delta y, delta z should be 0. If you go with this method, if it is homogeneous system. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the next method? If it is homogeneous system, I can't able to find out delta x, delta y, delta z because that also value gets 0. Then what to do? You have to take the equation. You have to take any two equation. Take any two equation. Then you have to represent in one another form. 2x minus y is equal to minus z. Next we take 3x plus 2y is equal to plus z. So I am representing these to find out for what? Solution for that homogeneous equation. Clear? After that I should get delta dash, delta 1. Because two variable now. Delta 1 how to represent? 2 minus 1, 3,
3, 2.
delta. Correct, right?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the delta value? Instead of delta dash, I am writing delta 1. Don't confuse. 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus 3 ones are
3,
3. 4 3.
8. Sorry, 7.
Okay, delta 1 I got it. Okay, how to find a delta x? Delta x is equal to, you replacing by what?
Z value. 1 minus
Z.
1
Minus
and Z.
Yes, minus 1.
And Z.
Minus 1 is minus 1. X component you are replacing by this one. X component 2 will be replacing by what? Minus 1. This
Minus 1.
one as it is I am writing. The next one plus 1. After that these two as it is. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
These steps any doubt? No, right?
No,
Now
ma'am.
what's delta x?
Two, Z 2 minus 2 plus 1.
minus
Now I have to write on the next step.
We have to write z, minus
in
z and
previous
z,
question
no?
you said minus z.
Minus z is there, right? This minus z I am replacing with the first column. Whenever I am putting x value, always replace the column 1. The column 1 is
In the
previously 2
Yes,
is
ma'am. In
there.
previous question you said to write the z also, ma'am.
along with the z.
No, 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 no. This is homogeneous equation. Don't confusion. This is homogeneous equation. The homogeneous equation, we have all the right hand should be 0. Because of 0, I can't able to find out the delta x.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I am taking two equation instead of three equation. The question is we have a three equations. Normally we are finding what? This is x will be replacing by 2, 3, 1. Correct, right? In this
Yes.
first column, I am replacing these steps. If it is not
And then
homogeneous system, but because of homogeneous system, I am taking these two equation. I am finding out the delta value for this one.
Z value, yeah.
See now I got 2x minus y plus z is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. Just I am converting into this format. Minus z and z.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
ma'am, in example 14 you said to write minus
Example
3z. Example 14, ma'am.
14.
Yes, ma'am. 14th example you said to write with z including z you have to write.
You try it. He whatever he written is only for that z. This one, right? 1 minute. Sorry. So now I have to find out x value, right? So I got delta x. We did this problem in this format.
Example 14 also homogeneous equation.
Yeah, just 1 minute. I mean, let me confused. Okay, we got that x value. After that, we are finding out in this one. Just check it out. This is, we are in this one. Okay, we got these two equations. After that, we are finding out in this one.
There you wrote minus 3z and 7z in the x column.
That only I am writing. This column, my answer is -1. See,
Yes,
this column -1 answer.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
This column 1.
This
Why
is
you
the Z
consider-
value. Yeah, ma'am.
Correct, right?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
I am taking delta x. See, this is minus 3. This I am writing
Minus
-3. And this is 7. I am writing this one. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear, right?
Clear, ma'am.
See, what I am writing is correct, right? -1 in place of x. Shall we go? What is the next answer? Delta x?
Yes, -1, ma'am.
-2
Plus
plus
1.
1. The answer is -1.
-1.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me go for delta y. You tell me. If those girl have a doubt, can you tell me what is delta y now? Then only your doubt should be clear. I should be find out delta y should be copied on delta first.
Yeah,
In that y
3
place, I have to replace.
minus
replace. Yeah.
Y place I should be replace. What is the y place? This one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In replacing with the z value, they have a -1. This 1 will be -1 be replacing by what? -1 for the z value.
Yeah, ma'am.
The z is 1. That 1 will be replacing with this one. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now tell me that answer. What is the delta y?
Plus 300.
Delta y is equal to
6, ma'am.
plus 2.
No, ma'am. 300. Okay.
Sorry.
3, ma'am.
Yeah. That is 3, right?
3,
Wait.
ma'am. Yes,
This
ma'am.
is 3.
5, ma'am. 5.
Wait 1 minute. This is 3. Just changing. That is 2 plus 3. How much?
5, ma'am. 5, ma'am.
Oh, delta y is 5. Okay, now I got x and y, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Delta x, I got it. Delta y, I got it. Now you should be substituted. See that x. What the next step? All are 3 delta y. X is done, y is done. It should be separated. What is x is equal to? X is equal to delta 1. That is a delta dash. Delta x by delta dash. Delta x by
Delta.
delta dash. What is the answer? Delta x is -1 divided by delta 1. 7. -1 by 7. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
What about y?
Y equal to delta y.
Y divided by delta dash.
S equal to.
That is delta y is 5, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
5 divided by delta dash 7. So now I got x and y. Then we don't know y. Then if for these x value take and this y value take, if you substitute these two x and y value for any of the equation, you can find out that should be equal to what? 0.
2.
You should be feel that that should be equal to 0. You can take 2x minus y plus z is equal to 0. 2 into 2x minus y plus z is equal to 0. Now you have to take substitute. Minus 1 by 7 minus y by 7 plus z is equal to 0. Now take the common factor. Minus 2 minus 5 plus 5 divided by 7. Any doubt? I took 7 as a LCM.
-2.
All the things we have a z should be there. Now minus 2 by 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7 minus 2 by plus z is equal to 0. 7 is the common factor. 7 by 7 minus 1 by plus z is equal to 0. Can I write the next step?
Sorry, ma'am.
Next step, can you tell me? See, now this is minus 2 by 7 minus 5 by 7. 7 you take the common factor. Only those two terms. You keep plus z as it is separately. This is minus 7 by 7. Can we write it? Z is equal to 0. Next step.
Z is equal to 7 by
Z
7.
is equal to
That
0.
is
Can I write it now? Can I write Z is equal to 1 now?
yes, ma'am. Z is equal to 1.
Any doubt in the steps? If you have any doubt, can you tell me?
No, ma'am.
Minus 2 by 7 minus 5 by 7. 7 is the common factor. Then minus 2 minus 5 together. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 by 7. 7 ones are 7. That will get the minus 1 plus z. I kept z easy and minus 1 should be the right hand side. You get a plus z.
Yes, ma'am.
So, therefore, if it is homogeneous system, the unknown values of x is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 7. Y is equal to 5 by 7. And z is equal to 1. Here,
Ma'am, actually, why? What about the third equation? Ma'am, we didn't use the third equation.
no,
To
you can use first equation or you can use second equation or you can use third equation. Why I am not take third equation? We have a number of multiplications or more, 4 and 3. Now you can substitute 4, x plus 4y minus 3z only, you can take it out. Instead of the first equation, if you want to do calculation of the z, you can take that equations also. Substitute x by what? Minus 1 by 7.
7.
Substitute y by what? 5 by 7. You can calculate z. See, while choosing the equation, you take the simplification of equation. Any equations you can choose it. Find out the z value. Clear, right? No matter. See, why I am not choosing? Because the multiplication terms are more. Here, there is no multiplication y is z. Do you have any multiplication in y is z?
No.
Easy to simplify. Otherwise, whatever the value get it divided by 3, also you have to do it to find out the z. Correct, right? Instead of that, I took it out. See that one as an example. See now, what we did now, that you get the same question in the last year question paper. The last problem. Solve the last question. We have the 3 equation with the 2 variable, x plus y is equal to z, y plus z is equal to 1, z plus x is equal to 0. Solve the following linear equation by using what? Cramer rule. We did try the same problem.
Yes.
Any doubt? Just we did the same problem. Just check it out your classwork. Same problem the 2 times. To confuse the student only we get the same question. 2-year paper 2021 2022. You want to show that my classwork? See now. Which one was this one? This one. My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
The same question. See, observe x plus y is equal to 0. All of you written right this question. X plus y is equal to 0, y plus z is equal to 1, z plus x is equal to 3.
Yes, ma'am.
See, we have an unknown value z. Bit to confuse the student only that question is given. Z values is not given. What is the determinant value of z value?
0.
X values is not given the second equation. What is the value of x value? 0.
0.
Then y values is not given that. When only if you forget about the first step, you will not get the answer. The first step is correct, then remaining every step you can able to do it. Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See now, this is the 2022 paper. The 22 paper, the first question is the same thing. X plus y is equal to 0, y plus z is equal to 0, z plus x is equal to 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you go for the June 2021, there also you will get the same question.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Can you repeat that one, please?
Which one?
X value and y value and z value.
Okay. See, whenever equation x plus y is equal to 0, this is the question is given. To find out the solution for system of linear equation for x, y, z. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
X is equal to y plus 0. The same question we get it. See. See, when I go for that, x plus y is equal to 0, y plus z is equal to 1, z plus x is equal to 3. This is the question is clear. Shall we go for the answer?
That is the.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you are there, let me think. See now, whenever x plus y is equal to 0, I should be write a determinant value for the delta, but you have to write the cofactor of that value, coefficient. What is the coefficient x value of the previous value? That's 1, right?
Yes.
What is the y value? Coefficient values? 1. Do you have a z factor here? Don't think z factor is not given. Don't write 2 cross 2 determinant. Always should be right 3 cross 3 determinant, because we have a 3 unknown value in 3 equations. X is there, y is there, z is there. Whenever you have a 3 unknown values, always you should be write the 3 cross 3 determinant value. That's the first step, should be know it. That first step is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
According to that, then z should be what? Can you tell me that, sir? That z should be 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then do you have a x coordinate here? Second equation?
No, ma'am.
Then x value should be what here?
0.
0.
What is the y value?
Y
One.
1.
What is the z value?
1.
1.
See, then let me go for third equation. See, to confuse the student that we have written the first value z. Don't take the first value in the first place.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are taking
The
this
z
problem
place
from all the 3 exam? To confuse the student won't be taken. Okay. So always you remember the first value should be in the first column, right? Normally we think like that one. See, it's not like that. It is with respect to the unknown values. Okay, right? Then
Yes.
according to that, this z value will be come in which column? Third column has to become.
Yes, ma'am.
Then do you have a y value?
0, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because of no value is there, that's why.
Yeah, very good. What about x value?
X value is 1, ma'am.
Yeah. Any doubt in the writing for the delta value? So that can you have asking doubt. Clear this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then to find out if delta is feel difficult.
No, ma'am.
1
No.
into this and
1 0 0. Yeah, ma'am.
okay. Then sir, next after find out the delta, you should be go for the delta x. Okay, now the normal method. Only the first step we should be remembered. Normal method is for delta x. Whenever I am finding delta x, always replace the d1, d2, d3. What is d1, d2, d3? The right hand side. This you should be take it out.
0, 1, 3.
D2, D3. Always whenever I'm finding x value, always the first column you should be replacing. What is the first column? These places.
Yeah.
1 should be 0. This 0 should be 1 and this 1 should be 3. Clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Then the remaining two column as it is. Don't touch up with those two columns.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Whenever finding out in delta x.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now that x will be find out in, we get a delta x normal method, we get 2.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then what about delta y? I should be go for delta y. Which
We
column?
replace is a y column. We replace
You
y
take the
column.
you take the given problem only. Don't take the previous step. If you take previous step, it's wrong, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you should be take the original problem. In that original problem, you should be replacing what? These
Y column only.
column. 1 1 0 will be replacing with 0 1 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the third column as it is. You should be copied on.
Yes, ma'am.
Then find out what is delta y.
Yes, ma'am. 1 1 1 1 1 ja 1 3 1 ja 3.
Okay,
And
that's
then 0.
y am writing 0 will be multiplied with that term is 0. Because of
0.
that, I'm not writing anything here.
0. Yes, ma'am.
This is the last one. 0 with 0, 0 minus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Then delta z. We should be, which column are we replacing?
Z place.
That
Z
is the last column we should be replacing. This is 0 1 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you take 1 into 3 ones are 3 minus 1 ones are 1 0.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
into this one and
Yes.
this one. Then I got 3 plus 1 4. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
I got delta x, I got delta y, I got delta z, I got. But I should be finding what is x. Our intention in this problem to find out x and y unknown values. X should be delta x by delta, that is 2 by 2. Y is delta y by delta minus 2 by 2. Z is delta z by delta 4 by 2. See, we are getting 1 minus 1, 2.
Yes, ma'am.
The final solutions are these things. Every question paper, there is a one problem on this one. Still, you have a doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
So you can observe the first two question paper. June 2022 is the same question paper. June 21 is the same question. And you have December paper, you have this equation. 2x plus 2y plus 2z, 3. 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 4. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. Clear?
That also we replace the first one column, then second column, then third column.
We have 3 unknowns, 3 equations are there. It is not a homogeneous equation. Normal method should be applied.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, right? Any doubt? Nothing, right? Directly we can go with this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear in that one. And December 2021, I will check it out. What is that one? This last 2 year. If you prepare the last 2 year, it is one. Okay. See, 3x plus 4y minus 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 6 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. Anything is okay, you can do it. Shall we go for the next type?
Yes, ma'am.
You are comfortable, right? All those things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, one more question, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, that check your progress 3 is there, ma'am. Their third question, ma'am. Minus k plus 1 is there. That question, ma'am.
Determinant.
Area of the triangle with vertices.
Area of triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Third one, ma'am.
Yeah, third one. Yeah. You just substitute in the determinant minus k plus 1 2k. See, whenever you have this an x coordinate and y coordinate, right? This is x coordinate and y coordinate, x2 coordinate, y2 coordinate, x3 coordinate, y3 coordinate. So we should be would do like this. We should be find out the, is it required for solution for this? What is the way? It should be collinear. That answer should be get 0. Now that check it out. What is the formula for area of triangle? 1 by 2 into determinant value. What is the determinant value? Can you take the formula? You want to do the solution in that word pad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
tap it on the question first?
Progress 3, third question, ma'am.
Yeah, this is right.
Okay, yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Correct,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me
Yes,
take the
ma'am.
question. Minus k plus 1, 2k, x1 coordinate. Second one is k and 2 minus 2k. Third one is minus 4 minus k, 6 minus 2k. We
Ma'am,
should.
we didn't see Wattpad, ma'am.
What?
Wattpad, ma'am.
What?
We didn't see, ma'am. Your
First,
Wattpad.
wait, no. I'm copying the questions. I want to go for the word pad. Just
Okay.
I copy the questions. Okay. Minus 4 plus 1 2k, k 2 minus 2k, minus 4k minus 6 2k. Okay. I will go back to that word pad now.
Minus 2 minus 4 minus k minus k minus 6 minus 2k.
Okay. Let me go. Okay. So now how to find out? If we should find out the area of triangle, it should be the area of delta. That's where area of triangle, area of delta is equal to, the formula is 1 by 2 into, you should be write the determinant value. So how to write the determinant value? The first column and second column you have to write down. Third column is always 1 1 1 as per that formula. Clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First column is minus k plus 1. I think I will skip this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is come right. That 1 minus k. Next is 2k.
Okay.
Next is 1.
1.
Next column is k. Next column is 2 minus 2k. Next is 1.
1.
Next is
Minus
minus 4 minus k.
Minus
6
k.
minus
Minus 4
2k.
minus k. The
6
next is
minus 2k.
6 minus 2k. Next is what?
1.
1. You
1.
come to the normal method. Delta is equal to, you skip 1 by 2 is there outside. 1 by 2 bracket. You start with minus 4k. Before that, you should be take a elementary row operation, should be put it to make simplify. You make anything should be applied. Can you do 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 will get 0 of the term. R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R1. See, this is the steps you are applying here. To make these two columns 0, you are applying R2 minus
R1.
R1. Again, it will be R3 minus R2.
R1.
R1 minus 2k minus 2k 4k and 6 plus R3 minus R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. Apply it. Applying R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. Okay, according to that, delta is equal to, what is the value you are getting? This is minus k plus 1 as it is. First row I am not applying.
Yes, ma'am.
Second row, you come to the second row. k minus minus into minus plus k minus 1 plus k minus 1 will get it what? 2 r2 minus r1. K plus k minus k will get it minus 1. Which one you are applying? You can apply anything. He applying different row operation. Okay. He applying 2k minus 1. He not mentioning which operation you are applying. K minus k minus k 2k plus 2. Okay, 2 plus 2k, right? Sorry. 2k plus 1. When you got 2k plus 1, I want to show that one.
Ma'am, 2k minus 1, ma'am.
Oh, very good. 2k minus 1. Yes, 2k minus 1. What about next one? 2 minus 2k
2
minus
minus 4k,
2k.
ma'am.
Very good.
2 minus
2
4k.
minus 4k. Next one.
0.
0. Okay, next step. Minus 4
Minus 4
minus k minus k. Minus 4 minus 2k?
5. Ma'am, 5 minus 5, ma'am.
No, minus 4 minus 2k, right? 2, 1, na?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Minus 4 minus k
Minus of minus k
plus
1.
k minus 1.
Plus k. Minus 5, ma'am.
Minus 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the answer is correct. Minus 5. What about next?
6 minus 2k minus 2k. Then 6 minus 4k, ma'am.
How much?
No, ma'am. 6 minus 4k, ma'am.
6 minus 4k. Yes. 6 minus 4k. Next. 0.
0, ma'am.
Okay, let me do the simplification now. You take that column wise. Anything should be multiplied with the first column is 0. 2k minus 0, this one, first one, delta. Delta is equal to. First one, minus, here 1 by 2 is there. Okay, whenever I take this term and I multiply with 2 minus 4k with 0 is what? 0, right? This will be multiplied by this what? 0, right? 0 with this term is what? 0.
0.
Can
0,
you
ma'am.
take that
0,
step?
ma'am.
0, ma'am.
If you want, write it. Minus k plus 1. That answer is what? 0. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 2k. According to that, next step is minus 2k.
2k.
Minus 2k with these two terms I should be multiplied.
That is 0.
This is also 0, right? This and
yes.
this.
2. Yes, ma'am.
This is
yes.
also 0. Plus 1. What about plus 1?
Minus 5 and 0, ma'am.
2k minus 1 into 6 minus 4 minus 5 into 2 minus 4k. Any doubt? We had to do it for the next step is 2k minus 1, 6 minus 4k. Minus into minus plus 5 into 2 minus 4. We had to simplify this one. Correct? Any doubt?
0, 2k.
Any doubt what time I'm writing is correct or not? Then after that
Yes,
only
ma'am.
I
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
2
ma'am.
6
Correct,
are
ma'am.
2 6 are 12 minus
Yes,
k. 4 2s are
12
8k minus 6
minus
plus
6 plus
4k.
4k, ma'am.
Yes. This side
And
5 2s are 10 minus 5 4s are 20k.
plus 20k.
Okay, you do it. Minus
Yes,
12k plus 12k 16k. 16k minus 8k you will get 8k.
yes, ma'am.
Plus 10 minus 20k. Now we have to simplify. 1 by 2.
Okay. 6 plus 10
4
plus
minus
20.
12k. 8k minus 20k. 10 minus 2. 8k k square here, forget about it. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8 square.
4k, 5 to 4k.
All of you get it? 8 square minus 4k plus 4.
Plus 4.
After simplifying, all of you get it this one. Minus 8 square minus 4k plus 4.
Can you explain in detail, ma'am?
You want detailed?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
yeah, okay, no issues. See, whenever I'm simplifying this one, delta is equal to, this is outside 1 by 2. Don't worry about that one. So let me get 2 into 6, how much?
2 into
12k,
6,
right?
12k, yeah, ma'am.
What is this value? Okay. 2 into 6, 12k minus this 2k with 4.
4k.
Not k into k, how much?
X k
K
square.
square. When am I multiplying, that answer should be 8k square. Clear? I'm
Yes, yes.
start with 2k. 2k into 6, 6 2s are 12k minus 4 2s are 8, 8k square. Any doubt?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes. No, 2k into 6, 6 2s are 12, 12
Yeah.
into k, 12k. Okay, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus, plus into minus, minus. 4
Square.
2s are 8, k into k, k square.
K square. Yes, ma'am.
When I'm adding, the k is not multiplication. When I'm multiplication, that should be square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 6
Yeah.
into minus, minus, minus 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus to the minus plus.
Plus
1 4, 4k.
4k. Yeah, ma'am.
Any doubt in these steps?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
5 2s are
10.
plus minus 5 4s are 20k.
20k. Yeah, ma'am.
What about next delta? 2. Now, minus 8 square, there is no other possible. You should write minus 4, 8 square.
Oh, sorry.
Minus
12k.
8 square, I written the first step, that's all. Because I don't have anything to do addition, subtract my 8 square, I have to write it.
Okay, first
If
8k
you have
square.
a
Yeah.
k, take it out. If wherever you have a k, plus and minus, do it. Plus
Yes,
12k plus 14 plus k, 16k, right?
yes, ma'am.
16k minus 20k. Can write minus 4k?
16. Yes,
20k minus 16k.
yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in that one?
No, no, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, next plus 10 minus 6. Shall you write minus 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you take the minus factor outside and divided by minus 2. You will get it that answer is equal to divided by 2 minus 4 square minus 2k minus 2. You take the minus is also common factor for the delta. You will not determine value for that one.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
4 square plus 4k then plus 2.
Plus 4. Yeah, ma'am.
Everyone you got these steps. This is a determinant, right? If the minus should be applied for that one, that minus should be cancelled. You take the minus as an outside the common factor plus divided by 2, 4 square plus 2k minus 2. Any doubt in these steps?
No, ma'am.
This answer is what? Now I got it. 4k square again plus 2k minus 2. Clear? The question I should be finding what is k. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Find out k. We have a given question is the collinear. The question is given. It is a collinear. The collinear is nothing but can be right. This equation should be these points are collinear means if delta can be equal to 0. Assume now. Now 4 square plus 2k minus 2 can be equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is equal to 0, we had to write it because our intention should be find out k. That till previous problem only I should be find out only the area of triangle. Then you will get only one answer. If you do the same method, I got final answer should be the 46. Or it may be collinear, the delta should be equal to 0. This is the two types we did it. Clear, right? Third one is area of triangle coefficients are given. According to that, I find out that, but there is an unknown values are there. These unknown values you should be find out. We should be assume that delta should be 0 because a collinear question is given. According to that, I take it 4k square plus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. We should be simplified. AB square plus AB minus 2 can be written as like this.
That 2 is common.
2 will be take a common factor. You will get 2k minus 1, then you will get k plus 1. If you multiply this, you will get again you will get this one. To find outing for the solution, we should be do something else to find out what is in k value. See what happens if you get 2 into 2, 4k minus 2. 4k minus 1 multiplied by k plus 1, you will get this same thing answer we get it. If you do that multiplication, you will get the same above line. 2 into 2, 4k minus 2 plus 4 plus 1. Shall we do that one? See, this can be written as you take 2 common factor. 2k plus k plus
Excuse me.
minus 1. Okay. 2 into 2, 4k, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 2 ones are 2, 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just your reference, I am doing this one. K plus 1. Multiply 4 in k into k is how much? 4k
Yes.
square.
Yeah, ma'am.
4 into 1 we will get 4k.
4k, ma'am.
Minus 2k.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
If you simplify this equation, we get same thing. 4k square. Minus k minus 2 will get 2k. We will get minus 2 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of writing the same step, I can also write it this to find out the solution. See, so this is equal to 2k minus 1, then can be written k plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 is equal to 0 and applying to find out the k value. So 2k k plus 1 is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 1. See, this is written as constant term, you leave it out. K plus 1 assume 0, then 1 minus is 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. To minus 1, 2k is equal to 1. What is k now? K is equal to 1 by 2. So just I am splitting this equivalent to 0. K plus 1 is equal to 0. I am taking the next step. This one. 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. I am taking it out. So this 2 should be equal to 0. If we cross multiply 2 by 0, that will be cancelled, right? You want next step?
4.
So this one. K plus 1. This 0 by 2 how much?
To 0.
Instead of that step, I am not showing that one. 0 by 2 is 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then is equal to 0. Then next step is we have a 2k minus 1 is one variable I have written here. 2k minus should be equal to 0. K plus 1 is equal to 0. Next step.
Okay.
What is k? Right hand side. K is equal to?
Minus 1.
What is 2k?
2k equal to 1.
Plus 1. I need k1, right? K is equal to 1 by 2.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
I think the first determinant all types of problem is all the minimum 20, that whatever I did it, whether different all three types will get great. The one in normal determinant, I have area of triangle, system of equations. So that questions also repeated, these questions, the most question of paper. Every step is got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next class will go for the matrix. If you know the matrix, then you can also simplify the same type. If you know the determinant, the same way if you do the calculation by the matrix, but the same way here also we have a system of linear equation by solving by using inverse method. So we'll go with the next. We have 70. Okay. So thank you.